Hey there, my friends. So this is going to be our final math video for our digital learning, and it's also going to be your final review for your last math test in first grade. You made it through. Good job. I'm so excited. Okay, so get out that whiteboard because we are going to go through a couple of different kinds of problems that you're going to see on your test for tomorrow, and I want you to be prepared, okay? All right, so let's take a look. First I'm going to do is I'm going to call out a number. I want you to write that number down, all right? And then I'm going to give you some things to do with it. So your first number is going to be 532. So write that down, 532, okay? I want you to circle the number in the tens place. What number did you circle? Very good. I want you now to underline the number in the ones place. What number did you underline? The 2. Very good. All right, now erase your board. I'm going to give you another one. Write down the number 426. Now, I'm going to mix it up so you can't guess what I'm going to have you do. I want you to underline the number that's in the hundreds place. Hundreds. The 4. Very good. I want you to put a smiley face over the number in the ones place. What number did you draw a smiley face over? The 6. Very good. Now I want you to box in the tens place. What number did you box in? The 2. Excellent. All right, let's do one more. Write the number 105. So what'd you write out? 105. Very good. I want you to put a smiley face over the tens place. What number did you put a smiley face over? The 0. Very good. Can you circle the number in the ones place? What number? 5. And can you underline the number in the hundreds place? Your 1. Good job. I don't think y'all will have any problems with any of our place value questions. All right, so next I am going to give you a few math problems, and I want you to write out the problem, and then we're going to solve it together just as a review, okay? So your problem is going to be 71 plus 23. 71 plus 23. All right, so you should have 71 plus 23. Make sure your place values line up. Ones place is lined up with the ones place. Tens place is lined up with the tens place. Does it matter what side we start on? It does. We must start where? The ones place. So 1 plus 3, 4. Very good. And then I can go to the tens place. 7 plus 2. 9. Excellent. So that one was kind of easy. Let's see if we can do one that's a little bit harder. Let's do 17 plus 13. 17 plus 13. All right, so starting where? The ones place. 7 plus 3 is 10. I can't just write 10 in the ones place. No, I would take the 0 from the ones place in 10 and put it in my ones place, but then I'm going to carry that 1 over to the tens place. Okay, so now I'm going to add it to my tens place column. 1, 2, 3. So 17 plus 13 equals 30. Good job. Let's do a subtraction problem. 94 minus 72. Write that out. 94 minus 72. We're not adding anymore, but does it matter what place value side I start on? It does. I still need to start in the ones place, okay? So I still need to start at 4 minus 2. What is 4 minus 2? 2. Then I can go to the tens place. 9 minus 7 equals 2. Very good. So 94 minus 72 equals 22. Good job. Go ahead and erase your board. Okay. I want us to practice some greater than, less than. Okay. Now we have talked about the alligator mouth being open towards that larger number. He doesn't want those small little bitty numbers. He's hungry. He wants the big ones, okay? So I know you'll like to write on your whiteboard, so I want you to write this out with me. 97. You can put your little box where you're going to put your answer, and 53. So I want to know, is 97 greater than or less than 53? Remember, for the greater than symbol, I want it to be open to the larger number. That's right, it would be opened up towards the 97 because 97 is greater than 53. Write out this number, 124. I want to know if it's greater than or less than 192. So now tell me, is 124 greater than or is it less than 192? It's less than. So you want the tail facing 124 this time and the open mouth open towards 192 because that means greater than, okay? All right, I think y'all would do perfectly fine with that. Last thing that I would like to go over in this video for your test is I am going to use my large clock. And we are going to write out a few times, okay? So have your board erased. And I'm going to give you 3 different times for you to write down. Okay, so let's remember. Quick review. What number do I write or say first? I'm sorry, what hand do I read or write first? The small hand, okay? So looking, it's in between the 1 and 2. So until this hand has gone all the way up, have I gotten to the second hour yet? No, it is still 1 something. So let's count. What do we count by with our minutes? By 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So it is 1:25. So it should be written out this way. 1:25. Check your work. Okay. Here is your new time. Remember what hand you should read and write first. What did you get? That's correct. It is 3 o'clock. We always have 2 zeros, o'clock, whenever it is the minute hand, the long hand is pointing to the 12. So it is 3 o'clock. Let me see if I can challenge you. Here's Here's your last time. Okay, our shorthand that we read and write first, it's in between 6 and 7. But if my minute hand hasn't gone all the way up, has it gotten to the 7 yet? No, it is still 6. And then my minute hand is pointing straight down. 30, very good. 6, 30, because if I skip count by 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. It is 6, 30. Very good. Check and make sure that you have it written out correctly. Boys and girls, this is going to be the end of our review and our whiteboard lesson for today. You can come back and look at this as many times as you need in preparation for your test tomorrow. I know you all are going to do great. See you later.